Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Canon LBP 2900B printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Please click on the open option to continue. So in a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome. All you need to do is you need to use the search bar here and type for Canon LBP space 2900B driver. Once you're done typing, click the enter key so that you would be able to see the result. So please proceed to this one. Click on it. And eventually you would be able to see a window like this. All you need to do is you need to scroll down, click on this down arrow key, and choose your operating system. Okay, so just have to choose your operating system here. So if our Windows 11 is not detected here, you can either choose Windows 10 x64. Anyway, Windows 10 x64 works for the Windows 11 100%. So just have to click on this link and eventually you'd be able to see an option called download. Click on it and eventually it will now start on the downloading. So just have to click on this down icon here, download icon at the upper right side of it, and wait until this would be completed. Once done, click this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed or saved to, and click on this, go with the scat icon, close the window, as well as the other one, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. The moment we have pasted it, okay, we just have to make a right click once again, scroll down, and wait until the second to the last option would be available before we can proceed. Once it's here, please click on the extract to LBP 2900. So once it is being extracted, a new file folder will be created here, meaning we have successfully extracted it. Please proceed at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. From here at the settings, navigate to the left side of that. You can see there an option called the Bluetooth and devices. Please click on it and eventually you would be able to see a window like this. All you need to do is you need to scroll down, go with the devices. And under your devices settings, you need to scroll down once again and locate for this one, more devices and printer settings. So from here, you would be able to see a window like this. All you need to do is you need to click on this add a printer and eventually you'd be able to see a window like this. Go with the printer that I want is enlisted and select add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be USB 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you've set it, click on next. Go with have disk. Click and browse. And from here, you would be able to see this kind of window. Okay, you can either navigate to the desktop. Please proceed here. Okay, you can also adjust the size if you can. However, if not, then no worries for that. So just have to go with this one and go with the X64, go with the driver, and it will show up the driver here. So click on open and click on OK to add it, and it will show up here. Go with next, click on next once again, and it will now start on the installation. If your user account control asks you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue to the installation process. Once done, go with next and go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Canon LBP 2900B printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.